So we have made it to Texas. I don't know if you can see the windmills, but I was actually did a contract for a company out of Tulsa that built the towers, and it's pretty neat how they build them. They build them in sections. I think it's like 3 to 4 different pieces pieces of pipe that they put together, and big size was actually they pretty big. One spot I went to here, you can drive a small car through the end of it, like literally. It's pretty neat though. And actually, this part of Texas is known for windmills. This actually is kind of what the settlers started doing with the oil and natural energy. Now they doing all type of stuff with it. So, but the highway has been nice. We out. HogOn.